So there are many options, and typically surgeon's choice po yan. So thank you for those questions, guys. And si Sir Earl, again, another question sa mga katuhod, sa mga ACL nato na community. Doc, I had my arthroscopy, may nakuha na meniscus and loose body. Doc, hindi po pala mag-heal yung mga meniscus, cartilage at saka loose body. So not all meniscus and cartilage defects heal. And that is why magiging loose body sila. So luag sila or loose. They float around the knee. And anything that floats inside the knee natin can cause pain naman here and even here. That is why we have to remove them during arthroscopy. And if you don't know unsa nang knee arthroscopy, people call it laser. People call it minimally invasive na knee surgery because their camera goes inside the knee and it cleans up the cartilage and the damage. This is also how we fix our ACL na we don't put a large scar. Dili na hiwaon pareha sa una. We are all about getting minimally invasive surgery done para makalakaw mo og usab. And everyone, the time is already 6:29 in the evening and I'm really glad to have spent this time with you. Blessed Sunday sa inyong tanan. It is another busy day tomorrow. I have to say good evening sa inyong tanan. Next week, we have something again very special to announce. We're also discussing more about knee arthritis. So, sa teaser nato for next week, be sure for mga arthritis warriors to be here. That is, again, Sunday. There will be no Saturday because naasa ko'y kanang recital sa akong anak, no? We will be talking about knee arthritis, the normal knee inyong makitaan dire, cartilage is clean versus the arthritic knee tuhod gihapon ni pero severe na ang arthritis. Again, makakita sad gyud mo na sakit gyud kaayo tan-ahon ang knee arthritis. And that is what we are discussing next week. And remember, if you know someone from Bohol, let us know how we can help set up or plan our Bohol clinic. It's a free clinic, hopefully the month of July. And have a great evening sa mga arthritis warriors. I hope that I see you next time. And much love and respect. This is Dr. Geoff. We're putting the ability back in your life. And if you have anyone you know that with arthritis, pwede sila mag-join sa atong Facebook groups. If you know someone na na knee injury, ACL injury, we also have a Facebook group. So this is what we do. We put the ability back in your life.